Last week we briefly showed you 3 different trailer brands that we're considering.
And this week we're taking an in-depth look at the Coachmen Freedom Express 231 RBDS. RB stands for rear bathroom, and the DS stands for dinette slide.
This looks like a great couples travel trailer. So hit the subscribe button and join our adventure. Hello! Today we are going to look at trailers, and we are so excited that this is finally happening. Actually, before that, we are going to have, I need to have my morning tea. It's brewing right here. Benny needs his outdoor time, and we've got to finish getting ready. Outdoor time for Benny is very important, it seems. He asks to go out every morning now without fail. He will follow me, chase me to the door. Come on out. Ready? Let's show everyone how you can be good. Benny, sit. Good boy. Wait. Okay, so now we've got the Freedom Express Ultralight Edition by Coachmen. This one is the 23-1 RBDS. And let's just show you a little bit around the outside because they're quite cute and I don't know, they're very pretty trailers. Oh, does this one have an outdoor kitchen?
Looks like it.
Open it up, honey. Let's see. Open that door. Ooh, that's fancy. It's got a fridge, a cupboard, a sink, and I'm guessing this must be a grill of some kind. Coleman grill?
Yeah, it's a stove.
Yep. It's nice. I'm gonna walk around the back. So checking out the back, nice branding. I like the colors of these. This one, we can already see it's got a slide for some extra space. That looks like it's for our hookups. That is one big slide. Lots of windows I'm noticing on these, which is kind of nice. We've got a throughway thing. All right, so now we're gonna go into the 231 RBDS. And we'll follow Jay in. Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, this is definitely kind of the layout that we want. It's got the nice big dinette here. It's got, you know, a reasonable amount of counter space. Nice little kitchen area.
That's quite a bit of space, and it's flat, which is good.
And the slide really, you know, makes this center part nice and open. You feel like you have a lot of space. It's like you're in a little condo. Bathroom's okay. I would complain a little bit about the toilet placement. You kind of trip over it as you walk in. But the shower's nice and big. You know, once you're in, you've got lots of space.
What's all that?
Lots of storage.
I like that. Is this more storage here?
Where?
Right
here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a really deep cupboard there.
Oh wow. And it's full length from the floor right up to the ceiling. The bathroom in this is really well thought out. There's tons of storage, as you can see. Little shelves, hooks, more shelves. Yeah, as Jay mentioned, just the placement of the toilet is a little bit awkward. You do run into it a bit coming in. But yeah, very nice. Okay. So now looking back, there's the front door. And you can see the TV is in there. There's, again, more storage through the kitchen. Oh, check the fridge, hun. I think it has the different style handles that I like. Yeah.
Got the good handles.
The good handles. They're a little bit easier to open, we find. And the freezer.
Good size freezer.
Alright, and then here's the bedroom, which is a residential queen-size mattress. It's pretty narrow through here, but still, you know, enough room for us. Best part is it's got doors. You want to demonstrate that?
Hello?
So yeah, we could actually close the doors at night and feel like we're in, you know, our own bedroom. Lots of storage again above the cabinets. Is there storage under the bed?
Here, let me go.
That's been one of our questions actually this whole time, is what will we do with the litter box? And we're hoping something under a bed.
We really liked the marble effect on the counters. They were really nice. And it had a really nice turning television that could swivel from the bedroom to the living area. And that completes our tour. We really hope you enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun going out and exploring this trailer in depth.
Yep, and we really want to know if you want to see more trailer tours from us. Your comments help guide us to create videos about things that you want to see.
And in the meantime, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends.
And remember,
When you roam, everywhere is home. RB means rear bathroom, and DS means dining slide.
Right.
Actually, it doesn't, does it?
No, it does.
Good boy.
Nope. You're not being good for everyone. I said, wait. And we really think that this looks like a pretty great trailer for couples. Couples travel trailer, is what I'm trying to say.